What do you expect?
Big Daddy. With barrel. Okpa, yes.
And the mist for
all over the Achi, they know me.
How do you come go?
And people, they were talking about Our Lady's altar.
Yes. People are one nail I have to sell Kaku for complete 5 years. I'm not taking it. Okay, can we go with the bunch? How did you make your money? I was the first people, persons or whatever, that worked in the mortuary. Baby, I don't know. Will you sleep? That's how I make my money.
Yes, gentlemen and ladies, today is a day we are here to celebrate a man who celebrates others. A man who distinguished himself among his equals.
That's right.
A man who swore with all he had that he will not be allowed to see anybody suffer. A man who from grass goes to grace. Not by any means, but by the special grace of God and hard work. A man who have said everything I have will be for the people. Happy birthday. Philanthropies of our time.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday. Making machine. Happy birthday. Today is his birthday. Happy birthday. Let us celebrate and drink and let's go outside and meet the people outside and enjoy the music.
No, we're not going anywhere. They cannot.
Let them wait.
1 minute.
1 minute. Let them wait. And the party.
So you are the one. You are the one that has been ripping right into us. Right?
Don't do that, man.
God,
no. Sorry. Don't do that.
I don't. It's all right. What?
Please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me. Where were you girls when I was suffering with that man? Where were you sluts?
Madam, listen, you have to calm down now, please.
No, I will calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You left me in London with my kids. Each time I call you on the phone, you keep telling me over the phone that you come for a assessment and I've not seen you. You don't care about how I feel and how the children feel too. At the end of the day, they will end up calling you uncle.
Look, honey, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think.
These are our business associates.
Business associates.
We're having a meeting. We're having a conclusion on a particular deal that we just.
Oh, particular deal.
Yes.
Particular deal. If one word from you again, I said one word from you, and I will unleash my venom.
Don't listen to me.
Idiot. Nonsense. Look at them. Come it now. You old rotten old fools that are born spoiling my husband.
I am not a king.
Oh yeah, you old rotten fools that are spoiling my husband. Trying to destroy my home.
Madam. What
Sorry about what? Sorry about
Can we talk about this at home for God's sake?
We'll say to us.
Better.
We shall say to us. Look at you.
Madam.
You rotten men are the one spoiling my husband. You made him stay away from his home, from his lovely family.
Sweetie, I am not.
I detest all of you. We shall see at home.
Better. Let us meet at home. What kind of nonsense is this?
You fools! Rubbish!
Are you for real?
Happy birthday to you.
I have seen the thing that has been keeping you here in Nigeria. So this is what has been keeping you from visiting your family in London, isn't it?
Man, I don't. I thought we discussed.
I have not even started yet. I have not started. I know you've been spending extravagantly on those cheap slots. Now tell me. I want to know more about them. Or
what? Or what?
I will tell the government how you've been stealing public funds and resources.
What are you talking about?
Oh yeah.
What did you see?
In case you've forgotten that you gave me document signed by NMPC resourceful personnel. Try me and all your investment will sink.
My daughter. Take this. Break it in the middle of any road at midnight. You will see what will happen.
My son, are you sure?
Will you shut up? Not utter blasphemy on this altar. Have I ever misled you before?
No, wise.
Now go and fulfill destiny. Go! Go!
Tell me something.
I love you so much, baby. Oh, promise me you're not gonna leave me.
Why would I do it?
Are you sure?
I will never.
Baby, give it to me.
I declare.
Baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Baby. Baby, you're so sweet. No. God, there's something else. Where did you learn this style from? Oh. Wow. He finished me. Baby. Come here. Oh, baby, where did you learn that style? Strong.
Remember you took me to paradise and you don't want to bring me back?
I know. I just gave you the tip of the iceberg.
Oh, you're good.
Babe, I'm set to leave.
Oh, why?
But you haven't fulfilled your promises.
Okay, but you know what? You don't have to be in a hurry. I will drop you over.
Oh, yeah, but I mean, you haven't fulfilled the promise you made to me.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember, but I told you after my trip to China.
Yeah, you said so.
You see, yes, that will be after my trip to China. I will definitely do that. My flight is 10 p.m. this night, and the money I have in my briefcase now is the balance of the company that I represent here in Nigeria, which is about $200,000 US.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a whole lot of money, baby.
But that is the business. Yeah. When I pay them $200,000 US, they're gonna give me goods worth $2 million US.
$2 million.
Yeah. And by that time, I'm gonna fulfill all the promises that I give to you.
Thank you so much, baby. I can't wait. Come here.
And again, for keeping me in this mood, I'm gonna increase it. I'm gonna add something else. I'm gonna give you a car and a house.
Oh, for me?
It's not too big for you.
You're making me go gaga. Thank you so much.
Whatever thing I'm gonna do to you, I'm gonna do it in a cool way. So I'm gonna do it now, okay, baby?
Okay.
That's me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, what a wonderful day. That's my baby. That's my baby.
Thank you.
What's more?
I know I'll manage it like I said.
That's my baby.
Thank you, Chili.
Yeah, let me freshen up. Try and catch up with the flight. Alright. Yeah. Then you wait, I'm gonna drop you.
Yeah.
You don't need to be in a hurry, I'll drop you. My baby cannot walk on
Oh, baby, please take your time. I'm here for you.
Okay, okay.
now is the right time to strike.
So, my baby, never mind, you don't have to be scared. Whatever that comes out from my mouth shall come to pass. I will fulfill all my promise and even do more. Okay. Baby, why are you okay? Baby. Loretta. My briefcase. Oh no, I can't believe this. My briefcase. Oh no, why now? My briefcase.
Hey, stop there. Where are you going to?
You're in front of my gate.
Madam, stop there.
Who are you?
See, madam, let me tell you. Kubana's wife has taken over her property. Do you hear that?
Ladies, Kubana's wife again? My boyfriend gave me this house.
Boyfriend?
I thought they are divorced.
Shh, will you keep quiet?
Kubana gave me this house. Who are these hoodlums? So what are they doing at your gate?
Who are you calling hoodlum?
From who are you guys? What the hell is going on here?
Shut up.
Well. I told you, right? I was gonna get you, little smart girl. You know what? I see you've been busy with your cheap girls around you.
Excuse me?
Enjoying the sweat. What I labored for good 18 years. And you think you can just boom from nowhere to take over it? No, baby girl. You're not smart.
You should talk to your husband. Not
She come be pain where he never saw. I have labored so hard. And by that reason, I am here. Take what belongs to me.
Madam, I beg you, keep quiet. Kill us. What happened? What happened? Oh, when you kill her there? Kill her there now. You don't want that sin. I don't live with the first road. It's a blowing English. What happened?
Are you done?
Because I kept quiet the other day. I beg you.
Are you done ranting? Are you? Anyways, anything against it. You call your lawyer. You meet in court. Guys, get that car case from her.
Exactly, this is what I have been waiting for. Give me the key. Come on, will you submit the key?
Take her away! Rubbish! Take her out! Take her out! Food!
Rubbish! And nonsense!
Yeah!
Rubbish!
Yeah!
Idiot of your type nonsense. You think you can take over my house and take over what I labored for over 18 years I've labored for? You think you can come from nowhere to take what belongs to me? Thank you. Rubbish.
My dear, I heard that the wife gave an ultimatum of 72 hours for them to vacate the property. It's a lie. It's not a lie. No, that's the truth. This thing happened. For real? See, listen, I'm the high. When them they zuzo. In fact, it serves her right. Exactly. It serves her right. That idiot. Every little thing. Go in there, pack your things, and leave my house. Every single thing. Go inside there, pack your things, and get out of this house. Now she's been sent with notice in her said house. It's sweet, dog. Baby, sweet. It's sweet. It's for sweet. Meanwhile, that's by the way. Lorita is on the run as we speak.
It's a lie.
Yes, so big true. She made away with Akwamia's briefcase containing so much money. Hey! Including hard currency. Yes. I said it. She's a thief. Big thief.
No shit. Who is a thief?
Where's the women?
The woman is dead.
What? When? How? Hey!
The woman died last night.
We are finished. We are finished. What will become of us? What would become of us? Hey!
When a woman make it go, one would you make it go? Heavy melon go for the more. One would you make it go? One would you make it go? One would you make it go? Every man and the follow. Heavy melon do for a mo. At least let me be doing it for her. She can never find out time. Find time to clean her house. No way. She does not do it. I mean, she taught me how to do this one and I'm doing it. Looking like, hey, thank you. Let me just sweep. Na metu onuwe yaka na metu onuwe yaka na metu onuwe yaka igeme kandiocha na metu onuwe yaka na metu onuwe yaka na metu onuwe yaka OGUEJOFOR. What is that? Jesus. What is this? This is not supposed to be in my daughter's room. Hey, God forbid. Thank God I used my left hand. Hey!
Babes, what am I hearing?
What, babes?
That Egbemun is dead.
Oh, my dear. That's the same thing I heard, honestly.
The same thing you heard? Meaning it's true. That's somebody wow. See, babes, I need to go there and see myself. I need to go and confirm this thing myself.
My dear, I'm as surprised as you are. But no problem, let's go and find out.
I need to go and see for myself.
It's okay, my dear. Huh? I'm as surprised as you are. Let's go. Babes, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh my God, I'm very, very surprised, honestly.
Babes, I think there's trouble.
Babes, what's going on?
I think I need to get to him first.
What trouble? No, babes, tell me, what's going on?
I don't know.
Babes, are you sure you're fine?
No, there's trouble. I sense trouble. I need to go home to verify something. I need to just go and verify something.
Okay. Just calm down. Let's go home then.
Yes. I just need to go immediately.
Babes, calm down. Calm down.
I'm coming down.
Okon.
Madam, no best. Say me I throw it away.
Are you okay? Come and throw this thing away. My daughter brought a clown here. She brought a clown and a clown. No, put it in your house.
Hey, madam.
Come here. Where is the small bottle? The bottle, where is it?
Jesus! What is it? Why did you slap him? What happened?
Mama!
Why did you slap Okon?
Aboki, come here!
Are you okay?
Aboki, carry her. Aboki! Stella! You don't know! You don't know!
What is wrong? What is wrong?
Stella!
Hey, Oguwade. So this is the way it is. Hey. Oh. What will I tell my husband? Where am I starting from? What really happened? What really happened? My daughter is now in the mortuary. One came. Hey, Mbano. Hey, what? Just a minute. Just in Kenya. Hey. Hey, Uchimo. Mba. Ifesie. Hey. Just like that. Mbano. Omeme. Nunekwa no nwamo. Nyaka muni agano no kotokuna. Who? No child? No. Hey! She left the husband. The husband is not even happy with that. If I had known. Oh. Hey! Namo. Hey! Nwamo.